35%, so anything else you got to cover. So we doing, we said shot control, that's what you got to do. That's not important, honestly. Nah, the control arms is not that bad. Right back here. The shocks, the bushings are rubbing off, but they're not that bad. It's not like it's rusted. So.
Summertime for this.
Yeah, you got time for that.
Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
So what we changing, y'all, is a stabilizer bar. Yeah, I am. It should not be like this. Wow, that's crazy. So that's what we're changing, the whole bar. This is iron. It should broke off. That's sick. But whatever, just to start. So we can recycle that if we want.
Recycle it?
Nah. So that's what we're changing, y'all. We're changing that for sure with the sway bar links. And I missed the recording on that. But here's the brand new one. And basically, it broke right there. That's the part that broke, another one. So we're gonna take our time and get it out. Stay tuned. Alright, so like I said, it's hard to record everything, but this is his filter, so I'm taking it upstairs because I got a bunch of filter removers. And he's like, oh, I gotta take it out with the pliers. And I'm like, that's cool, but if I got the remover, why make it so complicated? He's like, I'm good, bro. I'm like, no, I'm good. So I ended up coming upstairs. But we doing this 97 Camry, man. I gave this car to him about 2 years ago. About a year ago, actually. He's been keeping it up, maintenance in it, so I can't even get mad at him. Real fast, so you see one right there. He's got this might be the smallest one, but looks like it's this one right here. Nope, even that's too big. Look at the smallest one. The smallest one don't fit. It gotta be maybe up to 14 like I was trying already. Alright, so yeah, that's the cap for it. Put that in here for now. Just trying to show him something. And what you do is, you need this on top. Obviously it spins. Now look, this one's not even good enough. It's front right now. People are still be mad at me. Let's find the right one. No. Wow. That's amazing. That is amazing. So I don't actually have one. What? I have a 14. Alright, so got the universal one. I changed real quick. Throw on some bullshit clothing. Get dirty. You know, ready to get dirty. And yeah, like I said about the universal one, it grabs on, but not, perfect. It is what it is. Whatever. Let's get this shit done. It's just annoying going in and out already. What are you doing? I just told you. Here you go. It's a remover. I'm gonna show you right now, bro. Here you go. A nice small one.
Everything motorized now?
Not everything, but getting there. Where the fuck this nigga go, man? What you doing with that?
He went to his crib real quick.
Look, you just put the extension. Where's the extension at? Yeah.
Put in it.
All right. So why you need that? Why you need to put your?
Cause they gotta open up.
No, it don't. It slides right over.
How you know this place straight?
It slides in right there. Boom.
How you know it's on it?
It's on it. Then it goes back. You reverse it.
It's already on reverse?
Yeah. Pop it in.
Bad angle.
Yeah. They don't want it perfect. Oh.
I gotta find a way to put this in. I need like angle.
Drop something.
Sound like doing it with my hand.
Shit's not hot. You gonna burn yourself.
I never burn myself. You burn yourself.
Yeah. I mean, I'm just trying to make it easier. If you want to do it with your hands, go right ahead.
I feel you, bro. These angles. Oh, this shit gotta go. This shit.
I'm dead stupid. I'm like, yo, where's my phone? It's just in my hand. What am I doing?
I should have it. Get the fuck in there.
It's in, bro.
No, it's not.
Oh.
That's not in.
Oh, shit.
Every time I keep dropping this shit.
Making shit harder than it had to be. Let me just do it. All right, so we outside. I'm trying to help him. I say he need a funnel. And he tells me that he got the easy pour cap. So you don't need a funnel. All right, I'm waiting. Teach me something, young grasshopper. This is what he's talking about. You still got this old oil, bro? You serious? He just went to AutoZone, though.
Oh, that's the whole shit.
Yeah. So now you got to go for two bottles now. Look, oh, there you go. Thought he was nice. Son thought he was nice. Let's get it. That's a bullshit ass easy pour. I don't like this Valvoline.
Lose a little bit. That's it.
You're gonna lose a little bit, all right? He lost a lot, but okay.
A little bit.
Whatever. Why you use Valvoline now?
Because you told me to.
All right. I'm just asking. You don't feel a difference though? Did you try a different oil?
Nope.
Maybe on the next one you should try something. I mean, it don't matter.
Nah, I don't
Yeah, you like how it dries, it's fine.
Yeah, I can't risk anything.
That's smart.
Shit bigger down on me.
That's smart. It's definitely smart. You make sure it's not leaking. Yeah, his cap is good.
Yo, remember our return hose had a fix?
Yeah.
Right there. The 3 clamp, 2 clamp.
Yeah.
I had to change that. So I was only out there. I called you.
Yeah, I know. I heard. Well, I saw. That's good though. At least you know how to do it.
Yeah, you remember the pressure hose that they give you? It don't come as big how it is now.
Mm-hmm.
It don't expand yet. So that shit was so hard to put. It was cold outside. So,
I bet. And that's to be easy, bro. If it was easy, everybody would do it. Yeah. Good looking. So oil change is done already. We got the links off. Now I was just getting this bar out. I'm about to get crazy. I was getting, yeah, I was just getting comfortable, but now I'm good. I'm glad we finished that part.
We put like 4 gallons, because my car say it can hold like 4.8. So I don't like putting the whole file. So when I know I'm running out of oil, I still got another gallon I can still always throw in.
Liter.
I mean, liters?
Yeah.
You know what I meant? Yeah, something.
Cause that's like a gallon right there, or a gallon and a half.
Yeah, that's valid. Look, I'm getting so good now. Boom,
You shouldn't.
right
That's not his car, bro.
I don't give a fuck.
All right.
No more.
So you're gonna throw that back in the car?
Yeah. So if anything, when I know my shit's running low, like say my shit gets to 2.3 now. Feel me? I'm like, oh, I
feel
go to
you.
a gallon, and I'm at 3.3.
Or you can just go to the gas station and buy a $5
I don't
one.
got time for that. Cause they don't sell Valvoline.
That's a fact. That's a fact.
Unless it's the AutoZone or the
That's YouTube.
Yeah, he got his little channel.
Yeah, I got my channel.
Yeah, so you know, fuck it, he find the kid in
I'm
Brooklyn.
about to throw a video up right now too. That's what I was doing. That's the reason why I didn't do it. I was editing the video. That's
All right.
But look, bro, this is what I'm talking about. Transmission fluid.
BMW gonna call you.
Yeah, facts. What about transmission fluid? What about it?
I'm gonna need some, bro.
Oh, you need it. It look good right there.
It look good?
With the car's off, so you gotta check it when the car's on. You got it though. You got it.
You think I can always add?
You got it. Not too much. Don't overfill it crazy,
But
bro.
this is the shit I was trying to tell you, bro.
You want to talk about other things? I thought we was doing the stabilizer bar.
Like, when I look at my car, bro, I look at all the things, so I don't have to worry about that.
Yeah. My son living out his car right now.
Yeah. What you gave me? This good?
Yeah.
Cause I know that's my transmission right here.
Pictron 3, yeah, Marcon 5, ATF 4, yeah. So that's the Ford, that's the Chevy, and regular transmission. But don't throw it in now. Throw it when you turn on the car. You let it run when the car's warm, and then you throw it a little bit in to make sure it's up to level.
But this Gucci for a fact.
Yes.
And the right color.
It's transmission fluid,
Gotta
yes.
make sure people didn't put other fluids in.
Oh my God, yes, it's perfect. It's the perfect fluid. All right, so turn the engine on real quick. Turn it off, so we can make sure everything goes through the system.
I don't have the cap on, right? I don't need to.
No, you don't need to. I'm gonna put it on right now. Amazing. Amazing.
He put that together.
Yeah, facts. 97, man. How many years is this shit? 22 right now? 23?
It's pretty just
Yeah, 23 years old, baby. This shit running like a champ. Look at that. Yeah, that shit beautiful. No movement. Better than my Impala right now. The only thing I'm worried about is your motor mounts, but you do that in the summer too. Like, that's all bushing shit, you know?
I already know my whole frustration.
But yo, this is like a great engine right here. Like, no complaints about this shit. Great.
Yeah, some of them almost spend like half a rack.
When's the last time you checked your air filter? Look, that's like every 6 months or a year tune-up shit, you know? That work.
And my water pump, I be hearing like a switch every time the gas filter. That's a water pump, right?
No, it could be it could be that you're low on fluids inside this. Because remember, it goes into your there's two hoses in the back right here. No, somewhere over here that go into your heating coil in the car. That's filled up with coolant also. So all that coolant has to be filled to the top so you won't hear nothing. You know, if you're hearing fluid go through, that means there's a space in between it.
Yeah.
So what I recommend is when everything gets cold, open this up, fill it, and if you really want to, you can open up the lines back here. There's these two lines right here. You open these out, you take them out, you fill it up with fluid, and put them back in before you turn the car on. Okay. So it's all filled with fluid no matter what. Yeah, it's coolant, yeah. So it's this hose, this hose, this hose, this hose, and this hose. You can take them out, fill them up, pop them in, and then put it right here, cap it off, turn the car on, and keep on capping it off from the top. Because remember, then you have the other hose in between. Remember the hose that we replaced?
Yeah, when you turn it on, it goes down.
Exactly. So once you know your car, you know how to diagnose the shit, you know? So now you know. This obviously you don't have to worry about because this is direct connect to here. This one though, maybe you can fill it up, and these two you can definitely fill it. That's your heating coil. I know that for sure.
So I gotta check for this.
Check that. I'm gonna take out all my minutes, bro, on this shit.
Little dirty.
What do you think?
Should be clean later?
What do you think? Don't tell him nothing. What do you think?
It's not that bad.
It's not bad at all. Yeah. When you start seeing that white turn brown, then you change that shit.
Yeah, it's like the AC shit.
Exactly. But, so you good. Other than that, we good. When's the last time you changed spark plugs? You don't know, right?
When that fuck shit happened.
Oh yeah, we did change the coils.
Shut down on us.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
And then we changed the gaskets.
The alternator we changed.
I wanna get a brand new one here. It's just still making noise. It's a junkyard.
Yeah, nah, it's cool. You can soup it up, get the more amperage.
Yeah.
Good though. All right, turn that shit off. Now we go to the bottom.
See it from up here.
I don't know. This might be the end. You might still have leftover.
You're gonna have some left over.
But I got another bucket. Not a big deal. Yeah, you better stop in there and then do another one. I'll get the other bucket right now. Oh, right here, don't even know. I'm taking one of these. I need one of these little small ones. I got two. I don't know. I had it on the window the last time. I don't know.
And you're not getting one music?
This guy. I don't know. Where did I put the rag at? It's a good question. Eddie, where's the rag, bro? You see no rag? That's crazy. Should just disappear. I think I have another one. No. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate y'all.